Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna do this slow motion again. Okay, so see that there's that old man that started. You see that? Like, I don't paint him. I don't make, I mean, but when you look at it, it's an old man, right? And then this one over here, it's not like I cut it, I don't set out to make that person. You see? Maybe it's even part of the old, it's part of the old and the new that I put in. And it makes a face. Isn't that, you see it? Here's that cat face. And I don't set out to paint that. And same with this old man. Here it is, right? Like it just... Whoop. Let's do it. Slow motion. You know, even that, like, that's how I felt like I was doing last night. It's like, you don't tell me what to... You don't tell me how to run my life. And this is her. Like a fucking cat, you know. And I'm sure there's stuff in here that... But I was looking at the old, just the original, because I stopped right here and I said, well, I'm going to make sure I don't lose that. And then... That's the problem. That's exactly the issue with me, right? So I got my my afternoons, you know. Pleasures of the skin, you know. And there's me. See, I'm laid out. My mind's all just like splash, you know, pleasure. Like, and my body's all red. And it's like, see, like there's these figures here. I thought I saw a bigger figure. You know? And, okay, so there's like, okay, where is it? You know, these figures here, like, pleasures of the skin. Like, this is my afternoons, man. And then she comes in and she finds things in my place, like, wait, you know. And that's where that was our big fight, right? And okay, and then the way I did this, I couldn't have, right? And you saw, I couldn't have drew this upside down at the speed I was going, right? And that's it, man. But you know, I wish I could find some things in here too. But it's amazing. It's amazing. That's the issue, right? This is it. That's the issue. And then the other side was the fight last night. And I drew this just by scribbling it. So, I mean, could you guys see it? I mean, there's like a person, and she's holding up like a woman, a doll woman, and she's saying, "Where is it? Who? What is this?" You know, and that's what she does. She'll find something and she'll immediately start an argument. And that's me, man. That's my afternoons. You know, just like. And you see like a female right there. See, it's just like, I don't understand, you know. I'm amazed at it. That's all. I'm amazed at it, and he's like, I gotta like tell someone, but no one fucking gives a shit, right? They don't give a shit because they've seen too many Harry Potters, I think. But look at this. You see, it's the guy just disappears, and his. I mean, I wasn't even conscious of his hand, other than it just spilled out on that white, and it made like he's pointing at something, right? And this thing, like, okay, so look at this. Look at how this face starts. And there it is. There's the face. And that's our fight last night. You don't tell me what to, you know, I got my life with you and I got my own life. You know, that was a fight. So what do you think of that?